Those of you who are science fiction fans know who Doctor Who is. And those of you who know who Doctor Who is know who K9 is. Let me introduce you to the closest thing we have to Doctor Who technology on planet Earth in 2022.
Secure Ninja.
Hi everyone, it's Andrew with Secure Ninja. I'm here with Art from AT&T, and we're also here with the quadrupedal autonomous ground vehicle from AT&T. Hey Art, it's great to talk to you today. How are you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
Excellent. So we were talking a little bit earlier about this, we'll call it the doggy or the K9, and we were talking a little bit earlier about it, and we were saying that it includes a kinetic launcher to disable bomb disposal. That's awesome. What are some of the other sensors and the other capabilities that this device has?
So the dog has ground penetrating radar, so it can find things buried underground. It also has seat sensors, heat sensors, so that it can find survivors, say, buried in rubble after some type of natural disaster.
That's excellent. And you were also saying it has some kind of cell phone capabilities as well.
That's correct. It's a mobile platform, cellular platform. It's basically a 5G hotspot. It provides connectivity to other devices, other autonomous systems that are within range of it.
Wow. So it's a mobile 5G hotspot, not on wheels, but on legs.
On legs, correct.
Excellent, and it can be controlled from, I suppose, nearby, but also remotely?
Yes, with the connectivity, the operator can be basically anywhere. The ground vehicle can be here in Hawaii, the operator could be in Texas, operating over the network.
Excellent, so safety is prime there as well. Wow, that's amazing. Now, much like ourselves, I guess, this thing is bound to the ground.
It is.
Do you have any other toys you want to show us?
We happen to have a flying cow.
A flying cow? My goodness. So I see it's flying. The cow part is a bit of a mystery. What does the cow stand for?
Cow stands for cell on wings.
Excellent, a cell on wings. Well, it's I guess it's a cell phone tower for the sky.
That is correct.
Excellent. How many cell phone signals can this thing support?
So it can support up to 7,500 simultaneous users.
Wow. Okay, so it looks like it's got gas engines. How do you power this thing?
So we can power it over a tether, or we can power it over gasoline.
Excellent. Now, I guess for a tether, it's going to be, you could launch it and could have it in the air for a lot longer. What kind of time span could it stay in the air if you were tethered?
Yeah, we can have it up to 16 days operating in a tethered configuration.
Wow, and if you're running on gas?
So we can drop the tether while it's operating and then turn on a gasoline engine and then operate it for another 2 hours on gasoline.
Gasoline only, and it's mobile at that stage as well if it wanted to move around. So that's very interesting. How could this vehicle support our quadrupedal autonomous ground vehicle, our little doggy over here? These two guys can work together, right?
Yes, they can. So, for example, say there's a hiker that's lost in the mountains. We can launch this flying cow with a spectrum analyzer. It can look for the cell phone signal from the hiker, and then it could notify the robot dog to then go in and locate, find the person.
Wow, and that has a range of, you said, about roughly 2 hours of search?
2 hours of search time, correct.
Excellent. Well, we've got gasoline, we have a tether, electrical power. Anything more interesting in the laboratory?
Yes, well, we're working on laser power. Not quite there yet, but we're working on being able to shoot a laser at the drone to power the drone by laser.
Wow. Well, that's all very interesting. Well, Art, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Thanks for taking the time to talk to Secure Ninja. We'll talk to you again sometime. Thank you very much.
Nice meeting you. Thank you.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that. Please remember to subscribe and to like, because we have a lot more content coming from Hawaii. I'm Andrew Howard from SecureNinjaTV. We'll see you again soon.